How to collect notes for CSS exams. Collecting notes for the CSS, Central Superior Services, exams in Pakistan can be a challenging task, as there is a lot of material to cover and a wide range of subjects to study. Here are a few tips to help you collect and organize your notes effectively. Start early. Collecting notes for the CSS exams should be an ongoing process, not something you do at the last minute. Start collecting notes as soon as you start preparing for the exams so that you have plenty of time to review and study. Make a study plan. Before you start collecting notes, it's a good idea to make a study plan outlining which subjects you need to focus on and how much time you plan to spend on each one. This will help you prioritize your note-taking and ensure that you are covering all the necessary material. Use multiple sources. Don't just rely on one source for your notes. Collect notes from a variety of sources, including textbooks, online resources, lectures, and study groups. This will help you get a well-rounded understanding of the material and ensure that you have a diverse range of notes to study from. Take good notes. When you are taking notes, make sure to focus on the main points and key concepts rather than copying everything verbatim. Use headings, bullet points, and diagrams to make your notes organized and easy to review. Review and revise regularly. Regular review and revision is crucial for success in the CSS exams. Make sure to set aside time on a regular basis to review your notes and make any necessary updates or corrections. Visit CSS Times website regularly. CSStimes.pk is a website that provides information and resources